हाय व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू आवर शो। आज के शो में हमारे आए हैं बहुत फेमस एक्ट्रेस मोहिनी मानिक जी। शी इज़ अ एक्ट्रेस एंड NGO फाउंडर ऑल्सो। शी इज़ द ओनर एंड वी वांट टू नो मोहिनी जी, वेलकम टू आवर शो। एंड वी वांट टू नो, हमारे दर्शकों को आप बताएं कि आप क्या क्या करती हैं, क्या नहीं। और बहुत खुशी होगी हम लोगों को जानकर, हमारे व्यूअर्स भी देखकर जानेंगे कि हमारे बॉलीवुड में एंड आप दर्शकों को भी पता होना चाहिए कि मोहिनी जी हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हिंदी, इंग्लिश, तेलुगु, इन सब चीज़ों में इंडस्ट्री में है और अच्छा काम कर रही हैं। और सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी बात तो ये है, ये NGO में बहुत ही लगन से अपने वर्क को कर रही हैं, जो कि इनसे खुद सुनना चाहेंगे।
Thank you so much, Kiran ji. You've given such a beautiful introduction to me. And yes, मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ about myself. I've done quite a few of Hindi movies. I did one movie called ईंट का जवाब पत्थर. I don't know if it's there on YouTube. You can have a look at it. And I played the second leading lady in that, and that was the role of undercover cop. And I did a very beautiful song in that. You know, it goes like Hollywood की baby हूँ मैं, Bollywood की main, you know. So it was like I thoroughly enjoyed doing that movie. So it was an undercover officer. Then I did another movie in English. It was called The Rose. And then I did another movie in Telugu. It's called Raj Nartaki, which was dubbed in all the South languages. And Raj Nartaki was like entire thing was dance. I'm a classical dancer basically.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so there was a lot of Bharatanatyam and there's a lot of Kathak dancing, folk dancing, and lovely item songs because it's Raj Nartaki.
You know classical dance also?
Yes, yes. I enjoy doing classical dance. Like it was a total contrast from that movie which I did, the Eent Ka Jawab Patthar, was total modern, cabaret dancing and club dancing. With cop, she was a cop, and from there total I got to do all my classical dances which I enjoy doing. So I enjoyed doing that because the name itself Raj Nartaki means there's a lot of dancing. So I thoroughly enjoyed, and that was dubbed in all the South languages. Then The Rose, that movie, it was released in a very small circuit, like in the OTT space. That was also a very good subject. It was very, very. It was the role of an actress, The Rose, who gets kidnapped by her 4 fans.
Oh.
She gets kidnapped by her own fans, and then they put her in one bungalow for 40 days, and they ask for ransom and all. It was a very, very nice, strong subject that was. And if it was released well, it could have been an award-winning kind of a movie. But okay.
Where it's shooting?
All in Mumbai, and in out of Mumbai, and in a farmhouse where they show the kidnapping, and then all that. And that was I enjoyed that. And
What can you say about your NGO? What are you doing in that? And we want to know, our viewers want to know what you are doing for NGO, for people in this COVID time. What you are doing something? for them?
yeah. My NGO name is called Make No Violence Foundation.
Okay.
And since the name suggests, it's all about the concept is basically anti-violence, which Gandhiji, he has fought for India for non-violence. And also we have taken this concept for violence. It means for women who suffer violence. The range of the violence is the basic thing is that women who suffer from violence, even their children suffer in families and all that, right up to the international, the entire world also suffers from violence because of the wars, the conflicts between the countries.
Yes.
So we are working, that's how our basic concept is violence एक छोटे जगह से local level से लेके पूरे world तक violence हो सकता है. So we work on that entire range.
Okay.
So So we do a lot of programs like construction worker, उनकी family का health, and truck drivers. Truck drivers का life is very on the road.
On the road.
So their wives and children, they suffer a lot because they drink a lot. They drink and they come and beat their wives at
wife
home.
and children.
So
then
on the
they are
local
torturing
level,
too much.
women are the sufferers.
Yeah, yeah.
So we do a lot of work for women and children to educate them, to health benefits, those kind of things.
We heard that something about foreign policy also. You are doing something?
Yeah, we have tie-ups with a lot of think tanks. Like our basic concept started, our NGO concept started from the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations.
Okay.
We got our core objectives from the United Nations. So along with that, we also want to do, since United Nations is a global institution, it's a very big institution, it's a big organization. So that's how we kind of, went towards foreign policy because of that. Foreign policy, we do research. We have panel discussion, like how we are having a discussion right now for your viewers of Nation First.
Yeah.
So just like that, we also in our NGO, we call people who are into foreign policy, who are earlier foreign ministers, foreign ministries, ambassadors, and the council generals, and like we hold panel discussions like foreign policy wonks. You can say I'm a wonk. Wonks are those who go deep into a subjects.
Okay.
Those are called wonks. So I'm personally a foreign policy wonk.
I mean, mostly you are involved in, especially in NGO only, na?
Yes, these discussions we have through our NGO back.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have discussions with them how we can make relations better with other countries.
Peoples and other countries.
With people and other countries and all that. So that helps. It's mostly a research. So our NGO does research. So we how we can make the foreign policy which benefits our nation better in making relations with the countries, with people better. Because there's so much of conflict in the world today. And now with COVID, so much of more,
problems,
the conflict has become more. It has not become less. COVID is such a disease which so many people are suffering.
This you want to say to people, to viewers, that what is the motto of NGO that you are explaining now? No?
Oh yeah. The motto of my NGO is love life and serve humanity. So that's also my personal motto also. Like if you love life, you will not do anything of violence. And if you serve humanity, you can make a lot of changes in the world. And when you make changes in the world, you not only make changes to people's life, you even change society. When society changes, the community changes. So it's a chain. It's a chain of kindness, of charity, of doing good basically.
Ma'am, you want to say something to viewers about this time, what is going in pandemic,
Yes.
COVID, and how you all are doing for people, helping from NGOs, or what you are doing from?
Yes, from my NGO, we have organized PPE kits for the doctors, for hospitals. We have organized free masks distribution everywhere, in wherever we can reach out to people. We have tried our best, in these kind of things. With kits, sanitizer kits, and these kind of things, rations. We have done whatever maximum we could do. My NGO is not a very big NGO, but
helping.
But whatever little, I feel that whatever you can do, whether little or more, you should always do to help in society. That's how you change people's lives. So, I mean, every act of kindness helps. And it not only helps them, it helps their entire families. So, and that's what
Very
I
nice,
do.
very nice. And what about you're thinking you are doing acting this time, or you focus in NGO?
My focus is on my career of my acting career as well as my NGO. So my total focus is on my film career, which at present I'm hopefully going to start shooting once this lockdown opens up, soon, properly. With all the protocols in place, we'll be shooting. I'm doing an OTT, in an
Platform
OTT
also.
platform. It's an
Okay.
English title. It's an English movie.
You are acting in that?
Yes, yes. And I'm doing another movie. Actually, we are just negotiating. We're in planning stages now. It's a movie with Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol is the hero of that movie, and it'll be
Okay.
kind of his comeback movie after a gap. And a lot of some music videos. It's all in planning stage, so I can't talk much about it until they announce it formally. So I'm hoping to focus on my career and do a lot of good work, and along with my NGO, of course.
You want to say something else about your viewers or something new? What you are doing this time, or you want to start something new?
Yeah, I want to do some more projects. Of course, as an actress, yes, some very very interesting projects going on in OTT. Films में तो होते ही है अच्छे अच्छे projects है, commercial projects and I hope to make a place for myself in roles, where I can perform. I can give a good performance. It can be any role. It can be any role. Not necessarily it has to be a lead role or this role. In fact, I would love, since I'm a dancer, I would love to do item songs. I would enjoy doing an item song also,
You're a dancer, so that's
Yeah, so I would like to do that.
Yeah.
And on the other hand, if I get any
If you want
challenging roles.
any challenging character
Yes.
role, you will definitely.
Yes, even if I get a character role, it should be challenging. There has to be some substance in it,
Yes, yes.
So I will enjoy doing that. And maybe even regional cinema, maybe even Hollywood. Who knows?
Yeah.
I would love to do all that.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and I would like to wish all the viewers at Nation First stay
Yeah.
safe, stay fit, stay strong, and look after yourselves and your families. And we will get out of this together. We will.
तो व्यूवर्स, आपने देखा हमारे चैनल पे आज मोहिनी जी आई, अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हैं, एनजीओ से कनेक्टेड हैं और एनजीओ इनका खुद का है. ये शी इज़ अ फाउंडर, शी इज़ अ ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी. सो आज का हम लोगों का मुलाकात आज यहीं ख़त्म होती है.